Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5079473. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. This scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, go to Windows Update. And over here you can see pause option, hit pause over here. And then once it is paused, click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, then click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then update. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Over here, you can see the version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type. So open Windows setting, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5079473. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this file, click on it, install the update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down and go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. And over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can try to restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.